In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show correct answers in a Google Forms quiz and control when they appear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to convert your form into a quiz, let respondents see which answers were correct, and decide when those answers become visible. Start by opening the Google form you want to use. You'll need edit access to change these options. With your form open, look along the top of the page and click the Settings tab. It sits right next to the Questions and Responses tabs, and it's where all the quiz controls live. Inside Settings, turn on Make This a Quiz. Flipping this switch is what transforms a regular form into a graded quiz. It also unlocks the answer key and point values for each question, which is important if you want to release grades and show correct answers. If you've already added questions, you can now go back later to set the correct answers and points for each one. Next, stay in Settings and look for Respondent Settings. Here, turn on Correct Answers. This option controls whether people who take your quiz can see which choices were correct once grades are released. Think of it as the visibility toggle. On means respondents will be able to review their submission and compare it to the correct answers. Off means they won't see those answers at all. Now choose how grades will be released. You have two options. If you pick immediately after each submission, respondents will see their score and the correct answers as soon as they submit. This is great for quick practice quizzes or self-check activities where instant feedback helps learning. If you pick later, after manual review, respondents won't see their grades or the correct answers until you release them. This is ideal when you have short answer or paragraph questions to grade by hand, or when you're administering the quiz to multiple groups and want to avoid answer sharing. With these settings in place, the behavior is straightforward. Once a respondent submits the quiz, they can view the correct answers according to the release method you selected. If you chose immediate release, it happens right away. If you chose manual review, it happens only after you release grades. A couple of quick tips to finish. Make sure each question has an answer key set and points assigned so the grading and correct answer display work as expected. Consider using manual release if you're sharing the quiz broadly. And when in doubt, preview the quiz and do a test submission to confirm everything looks exactly right.